Bean staying in Pangkor also leh.
Oh yes.
Mr. Bean got extra big more.
Maybe we'll see Mr. Bean on Pangkor Island today.
Don't be surprised.
Good morning. It is Saturday morning. We got our tickets to Pangkor Island.
Selamat datang ke Pulau Pangkor.
We have just arrived in Pangkor Island. The ferry trip from Marina Island is just 15 minutes. It's very quick.
Recommended this place right across Sungai Pinang Kecil's Jetty. There is a coffee shop that sells Hainanese toast, perfectly half-boiled eggs, and white coffee. My verdict of the food is then we're gonna go to the second location, which is right outside. Barely 30 minutes after our first meal, we're actually at our second meal. This is actually run by Yuan Shang's auntie. So it's famous for their curry stingray with rice. Which is that today we didn't have it with rice, we have it like with coriander noodles. Yeah. Welcome to Dutch Fort, where there's nothing else but bricks and stones.
It's only just a remain of possibly a huge fort back then. Probably got destroyed, no?
No, last time in the 1600s, Dutch used to keep all the legitima. They will store it in this fort.
Historical site indeed.
But the locals were very unhappy about it, so they destroyed, bombed the place.
Is that the real fact about this place?
Yeah, you don't believe me?
Wow.
And then the Dutch rebuilt it, and they used to man this place with 70 penggawal, yeah, guards. Then after that, I think about 1700s, they said, forget it lah.
What is Pichitima in English?
Iron ore.
I think that's something else. Once we find out on Google. Next place. The floating mosque is still closed for now, but we have a method to get a closer look. Just got to the top, so first post MCO workout. All sweaty, but it's all worth it. Take a look at the scene down there. Just done with full Lin Kong Temple. Pretty good weather today. Next stop, some beaches. Okay, my turn. It's not that bad. So we're trying to get to the other side of the Coral Bay. Looks like there are some stones that we need to overcome. We are right now at Coral Bay or Coral Beach. The last destination for us before we head back to Marina Island. Wanted to drone here, but this is unfortunately a no-fly zone. There's this airstrip over here. I thought I could take a nice, beach and waves across the sand. after going back to Marina Island, we're gonna head straight to Sekinchan for our next stay. So if you like this video, you know what to do, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!